Hey guys, so this is your first math lesson with distance learning. It's about fixed and variable lessons. And today we're going to identify the difference between a fixed and a variable expense. So you're going to watch this video first, and then you're going to go into Google Classroom under the classwork tab. Sorry, my dog's sneezing. Under the classwork tabs, and you're going to click on the fixed and variable lesson assignment, and this same slideshow is going to come up, but you're going to edit it and then submit it once you're done with everything. So what are fixed and variable expenses? So there's fixed, and fixes are expenses that do not change from month to month, and variable changes. So fixed are things like rent or a house payment, a car payment, or like a cable bill. So those are, you decide up front how much it's going to be, how much you're going to pay for it, and it's always the same and never changes. Okay. A variable expense are things that change from month to month. So water bill, grocery bill, gas. So those change because water bill, you pay by how you use it. Depending on how much water you use, that's how much your bill is. Your groceries, you don't buy the same thing every month. Sometimes the prices change from day to day even. And then gas, you don't always drive the same exact distance, and gas prices do change. That's why it's a variable expense. Now, some of these are kind of both, and that's where it gets a little tricky, so it really just depends. So a phone bill, some people, it's a fixed expense. You agree on one thing, or you have unlimited minutes, unlimited texting, unlimited data, and that doesn't change. Some you only pay up front for a certain amount, and then if you go over the texting or go over the data or go over the minutes, you have to pay more. And then sometimes you have gaming plans. So like Netflix or Hulu, that's the same thing every month. But sometimes you pay for gaming plans where you just pay as you go, and 1 month you might buy more, 1 month you might buy less. And the same thing with that cable bill. That can sometimes change if you've ever rented a movie on cable. That would be an extra thing. So if you never did it, it would stay the same, it'd be fixed. But if you add it on, that's when it would kind of be both, and there would be variable. Okay, so that is a difference. So fixed, it does not change. Variable, it changes. So, I can't see this, sorry guys. Okay, so over here, so expenses sort. So you have fixed and variable, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna take these and you're actually gonna move those words into fixed and variable. Okay, so credit card bill, okay. Cell phone bill, electric bill, Netflix. Now we said Netflix, it does not change. You pay the same every month. Okay, and one thing that we said was variable was groceries. So you're going to just move that over there. So you're going to sort all of those, and then I will go through them once you turn them in. Okay. Then you're going to go down right here to the financial literacy page. Now this is linked in that document that we emailed your parents, so you can print it out, or you can just look at it from here. You can do it two ways. You can either write all over this and write the answers. You can print it out and take a picture of your answers and just put a picture of it on there, or you can just do the work on your own on a separate sheet of paper, and then you can actually type in here. So for question A, how much was the fixed expenses? Okay, and then type how much was the variable expenses, and then how much was the total, so adding both of those together. We'll do the same thing for B. And this is lastly, this is the main thing I'm going to be grading. This is your actual assignment in there. These other things are practice. You still need to do them, but this is the actual assignment that I'm going to be grading. Okay, it says, Jacob's September bills are $96 for electricity, $425 for rent on his apartment, $105 for his car payment, and $66 for his trip to the dentist. Which are greater, Jacob's fixed expenses or his variable expenses? How much greater? So think, what is the same every month and what is different every month? If you don't pay for it every single month, it is not fixed, it's variable because it changes. Okay, and then after you turn this into Google Classroom, you're done. Congratulations, you finished your first math lesson.